Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how we can create an AWS account. I already have an account created, so in this specific video we will be using some another email address in which I am going to tell you what are the steps that you can follow to create an AWS account. So if you're someone who already have an account created, you may skip this video and you can continue with the following video. Alright, so if you're someone who is looking for some help in creation of AWS account, you can follow along with this one. So open your browser and you need to search AWS console login, and then you need to click on AWS console. Alright, and then it will redirect to you this specific page. And here, since we do not have an AWS account, we will be clicking on create a new AWS account. And now it will be asking you for the root email address. So when it is saying root user email address, it is asking you for the Gmail ID that you want to associate with your AWS account. So for this specific one, I'm going to use my fake account and then the AWS account name. So it can be anything. So for this one, I'm just writing Siddharthaji and then click on verify email address. Once this is done, so as you log in on some another social media platform, this is just like the same. So it is asking you for the 6-digit code that it has sent to you on your email, and that you can enter over here. So you need to wait for a while if you haven't received one, and once received, you can just enter the 6-digit code into your this specific thing. So I'm just waiting for the code to pop up at my end. All right. So as you can see, I have received the verification code. You can copy from here and paste it here. And by any chance, if you are getting delayed 6-digit code, you can just again click on resend and you will get another one, right? So now click on verify, and then it is saying that it's you, your email address has been successfully verified. Now the next thing would be, it is asking you to set a root user password which you will be using initially to log into your AWS account. So you can type on by keeping these options which are given at below. So all right, once done, you need to click on continue. The next thing that it will ask you for would be the debit card and the following information. So basically it will ask you for your contact information. So how do you plan to use AWS? So what would I recommend is you just click on personal, since we will be using it for learning purpose. Then you need to fill in the information. So basically you need to write your full name followed by the phone number, address line, city and postal code. All right. Let me fill this up, and then once it is done, you need to click on this checkbox and then click on continue to step 2. Let me fill this up and see you on the next screen. If you are done with filling in the information in the previous screen, it will ask you for the credit or debit card information. Here you need to type the credit or debit card details along with the expiration date and year, CVV code, the name that you need to mention over here, the whatever the same that is written in the card, and then you need to click on billing address, and then you need to click on yes, you have a PAN card. Once all the above is done, you need to click on verify and continue. So the next step would be, it will deduct 1 rupees from your debit card, and then you will be redirected to screen number 4, where you need to verify your phone number and email address, whatever you provided in the previous step 2. Once it is done, you will be asked to log in with the credentials provided, and right, and that is how you would be able to create your AWS account. All right. So this is how you will be able to create your AWS account. If you are facing any issue, you may just enter it in the comments. However, feel free to search at your end. There is a good documentation that I came across, which you can use for your own benefit. So I'll be just adding this specific documentation so that it would be easier for you to refer and proceed along with the go. All right. So yeah, thank you and see you in the another one. Thank you.